Hi friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. You are asking someone how their weekend was. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? You want to know if they are feeling better now. Are you feeling better today? Are you feeling better today? You are asking if they are ready to leave. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? You are asking what they are looking for. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? You want to know if they need any help. Do you need any help? Do you need any help? You are asking if they are free this evening. Are you free this evening? Are you free this evening? You want to know what time they will come back. What time will you come back? What time will you come back? You are asking if they have seen your bag. Have you seen my bag? Have you seen my bag? You want to know what they are thinking about. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? You are asking if they are telling the truth. Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? You want to know if they have visited your city before. Have you been to my city before? Have you been to my city before? You are asking if they can speak slowly. Could you please speak slowly? Could you please speak slowly? You want to know what their dream job is. What is your dream job? What is your dream job? You are asking what they usually eat for breakfast. What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast? You want to know if they are watching TV now. Are you watching TV right now? Are you watching TV right now? You are asking how often they go shopping. How often do you go shopping? How often do you go shopping? You want to know if they can wait for 5 minutes. Can you wait for 5 minutes? Can you wait for 5 minutes? You are asking if they enjoy traveling. Do you enjoy traveling? Do you enjoy traveling? You want to know if they are learning English every day. Are you learning English every day? Are you learning English every day? You are asking what they usually do on Sundays. What do you usually do on Sundays? What do you usually do on Sundays? Great job, friends. Now this is your homework time. Please put the answers comment below. If you like the video, please subscribe now.